Hi everyone, hi YouTube viewers. In this video, we are going to tackle about writing polynomial function in standard form. Before we do that, we will have diagnostic test first. Number one question is, what is the product of quantity x plus 4 times quantity x plus 3? In getting the product of these two binomials, all you have to do is find the sum of 4 and 3 and the product. That sum becomes the middle term and that product becomes the last term. It's clear here that the answer is letter C, x squared plus 7x plus 12. Number 2. What is the standard form of the polynomial function f of x equals to negative 2x to the 4th power plus x to the 6th power plus 3x plus 1. In this polynomial function, all you have to do is rearrange from highest degree to the lowest or constant term. The answer for this is letter A. F of x equals to x to the 6th power minus 2x to the 4th plus 3x plus 1. Number 3. How should y equals to negative 10 plus 3x plus x squared be written in factored form? In this function, all you have to do is just factor, but before that, rearrange the given from negative 10 plus 3x plus x squared into x squared plus 3x minus 10. Then, we will now find the sum or difference, which is the middle term, and the product, which is the last term, minus 10. That answer pertaining to letter B. Let us begin our topic for this video. A polynomial function is a function of the form p of x equals to a sub n x to the n power plus a sub n minus 1 times x to the n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x n minus 2 plus a sub 1 x plus a sub 0, where a sub n should not be equals to 0. The terms of a polynomial may be written in any order. However, if they are written in decreasing powers of x, then the polynomial function is in standard form. Tatandaan po natin, before tayo magkakaroon ng simplification, kailangan naka-arrange mo na siya from the highest exponent going down to the constant term if possible, or maybe the least term. Writing polynomial function in standard form. So, paano natin siya isusulat into standard form? First, write the term with the highest exponent first. Second, write the terms with lower exponents in descending order. Yun na yung pababa. Remember that the variable with no exponent has an understood exponent of 1. And lastly, a constant term always comes last. Polynomial function in standard form. Example, write the following polynomial function in standard form. Number 1, y is equals to 1 plus 2x plus x to the 5th power minus 4x cubed plus 2x to the 4th power plus 5x squared. The answer for that is simply rearrange from highest to lowest. We have the final answer, y equals to x to the 5th power plus 2x to the 4th minus 4x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 1. Number 2, f of x equals to 5x plus 9x squared minus 3x to the 8th power. So, just the same, i-rearrange lang natin from highest to lowest. Final answer for that is f of x equals negative 3x to the 8th power plus 9x squared plus 5x. Number 3 example. P of x is equals to negative x multiplied to the quantity of x plus 4 times quantity x minus 4. Solution is, we are going to have to use the distributive property of multiplication. So we are going to multiply the two binomials, x plus 4 and x minus 4. We are going to multiply that. We got negative x multiplied to x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. Then simplify, we have negative x multiplied. That 4x and 4x will now be eliminated. So we got x squared minus 16. Multiply that monomial to that binomial. Then the final answer for that is negative x cubed plus 16x. And this is what we call the cubic binomial because the exponent is in the third degree and we only have two terms. So therefore, that is called a cubic binomial. Next video, we are going to explain about how polynomial will be written in factored form. Don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, or maybe the notification bell. And if you have any questions about this video, you can comment down. And again, thank you very much for watching and enjoy your day.